வீடியோ
அந்த காது கிட்ட ஒரு க்ளோஸ் அப் வச்சுக்கோ.
வணக்கம். Thank you. Chair number 4. Okay, number? 49. Yep, RT number is 49. Okay. And the RT name is scraps or no taps.
49, right?
Yeah.
Let him join. Yeah, 49.
Yes, and the RT name is scraps or no taps. And we have used so many older objects, old ones, especially this one, sir, because this one, actually I'll just give you the live demo later. Actually, this one is really, really old because this was used by his great grandmother Jacobai in 1940. And these are bangles, and we have just used this and we made it's a stand, pen stand. You can also keep your pens. And if you want, he can also show you the demo, sir. And this one is done. And this one was made for the coin box. I mean, you can give it to children and they can just put coins inside it. I mean, even you can see there are so many coin box, which are so tough to break. But this one is really easy. If you want, you can just open it and you can just take your coins. This one is done. And the next thing is, this is made by the marriage invitation. This one is specifically used for, this one is specifically used for cards, passport and everything. And I would like Karthik to go and do a live demo. You can just also place in notepads. And next thing, we just wanted to focus in a decorative method. And this one, I mean, comes a bit odd. And this was made using by the series. And I just used my tag to hang it. You can just hang it on a wall. I mean, the decoration was not so good, but you can just have a jigna and whatever you want, and you can just put it in the wall. The next thing is, this is specially for Valentine's. And since we are going to celebrate our Valentine's Day, we can just give it to our beloved ones. And this is just for a demo. And please take it. And I mean, you can see that this is very weak. I mean, it's not in good shape because this, I mean, especially for a weak-hearted person. And that's why you can see the shape like this. And the next one, I mean, we made this using straws. And this one can, you can just have it. It's just a earring, and you can also see it there. And the most important thing is, yep. And can I have the picture? If you look at it one, the output gives like a radium one. You can see, it gives it brightness. And even at night, the people can watch it, and they can like that. And this one is a banner. I mean, we use the same same straws. And this one we use by using CD and the water bottle, and we just put some mud and we planted some plant and we just had this one. And the final thing is, everyone is curious about this product, and this one was invented by us, and my name is Kamal and his name is Karthik, and we named this one as egg yolk separator. I mean, you would have known there are so many bodybuilders are finding difficult to separate the yolks from the egg whites, because egg yolks are, I mean, it's a fat content, and moreover, health conscious people would like to have only egg whites. I mean, I'm just going to do the live demo. See, now I have egg yolk and egg white here. I put it here, and the next thing is, I should be a bit cautious here. And I'm just going to squeeze this one. Have it on the. That's it. And this name is for egg yolk separator. And the final product is, I mean, you can just use our miscellaneous products like a pencil, a knife, and everything. Actually, we are done, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, right?
Yes, sir. Did you count this one? I mean, yes.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for it. Thank you.
Presentation demo also.
Sir, did you count that one?
Yeah, 11. We counted.
Thank you, sir.
தண்ணி வந்துருப்போம்.
Next, இந்த room முடிஞ்சு இல்லையா? இந்த room. Okay.
இது பண்ணாம முடிச்சு இந்த மாதிரி.
ஏற்கனவே ரொம்ப